deep cleaning and thermal repasting on Razer Blade Pro 17 gaming laptop. Thank you, Sir Joseph, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Bringing in the Razer Blade Pro 17 for a full deep cleaning and thermal powder placement is a wise and forward-thinking decision by the customer, especially for a high-end gaming and productivity laptop like this. Over time, dust accumulates inside the system and thermal pads begin to degrade, which can lead to overheating, thermal throttling, and performance drops. These issues are common in powerful laptops that are used heavily for gaming, creative work, or intensive tasks. By opting for a thorough internal cleaning and replacing the old thermal pads with fresh ones, the customer is actively improving the laptop's cooling system, ensuring that the CPU and GPU maintain stable temperatures under load. This maintenance not only helps the system run quieter and cooler, but also prevents potential long-term damage caused by excessive heat. For premium devices like the Razer Blade Pro 17, keeping the internal components clean and thermally managed is essential to preserve peak performance and extend the lifespan of the machine. At PTT IT Solutions, we provide expert-level care to ensure every gaming laptop stays in top condition, because taking care of your gear today means fewer problems tomorrow. Deep cleaning and thermal repasting is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your unit be serviced. To follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.